Hi, I'm Sufyan and this is Zero Trust Track, my build for the one inbox AI engineer track, the self-correcting rack pipeline. Let me start with the problem. Traditional lag always, does the same thing. It retrieves a few chunks, stuffs them into a prompt and generates an answer. Every single time the problem is what happens when the retrieved context is missing answer or it's ambiguous or two documents contradict each other. Traditional RAG doesn't notice. It just produces a fluent confident answer that happens to be wrong and fails silently. This zero trust track that I have built is built to, never do that. Instead of blindly generating, it puts a critic in front of the model. The critic reads the retrieved context and decides what situation we are in. Okay, so let's see if we go with an example. One of the examples is this. I could type this, so for the easier reference, I put this. So what is the monthly price of the pro plan? The documents are in the data folder. Based on that only its answer. So a naive rack will answer like this. The monthly plan is this, and zero trust tag will also answer because this is answer is there in our this thing. It's there in our documents. But if you try to ask it some weird kind of question which is not there. Let's say if I ask it, what is the capital of France? Our fictional company, which is this Northwind, doesn't have, like, obviously shouldn't have that thing. But when you see the answer, and so it will go into abstention with 100% confidence that this is not, in our thing. It doesn't try to, just justify it or something. On the text side, it's Python end-to-end with fast event retrieval is hybrid, a local BG small embedding model for semantic search used with BM to 25 keyword search through reciprocal rank fusion. So it catches both paraphrases and exact terms like AES 256. The LM layer runs on Croc, a fast model for the critic, a bigger one for generation, but it provides agnostic. Ingestion even includes OCR. So it reads scanned documents and it's a container deployed on render, as you can see. So we even have a dashboard here. Currently, the execution rate and all kinds of stuff we have, and the questions and this category, the answers for these. If you want, we can ask more questions to it too. What are the support asks and all. Most self-creating rack system like self-rack or crack do one thing: they retrieve critic re-retrieve a single axis. What makes mine different is the critic distinguishes why the context is bad, insufficient, ambiguous, or contradictory, and each gets a different correction action plus a final safety net and NLI entitlement gate that verifies every claim in the answer is actually supported by the cited text, as you can see. If it isn't, the answer is downgraded to an abstention, as you can see. So this is zero trust track. Thank you for watching.